not just the AIADMK, but the BJP here is also alleging a DMK link to the accused, saying that the accused is part of the DMK student wing. Now, this is a big claim that has now been made on part of the BJP there in Tamil Nadu over this controversy surrounding the alleged case of sexual assault that has been reported. Let's in the meantime also get you more words that have been coming in on part of the political parties and the leaders there who have been condemning this case of alleged sexual assault. But the BJP here is trying to link as far as one of the accused in the case is concerned of allegedly sexually assaulting a woman on campus at the prestigious Anna University, saying that the accused has certain links with the DMK. Vashni, what more can you tell us on this particular angle?
Well, the BJP state president Annamalai right now alleges that the accused who's been arrested by the police, Gnanasekaran, who the police say is somebody who's been, running a small biryani shop on the footpath near the Kotorpuram area, and that he is an habitual offender and he has a lot of criminal past, is what the BJP state president Annamalai is alleging at this point of time. And he also mentions that he belongs to the DMK party. He's a local functionary, that he is the deputy organizer of the students wing of the Saidapet East district of the DMK, which makes it look like, since he has been in the party for a long time, that is why his past criminal records are not very clear, and the police have not kept him under surveillance because he's attached to the ruling government party, is what the BJP state president Annamalai is alleging at this point. And we are also saying that the BJP is very strongly condemning this along with the AIADMK. All the opposition parties speak about law and order in the state, and if there is a security lapse that is happening with this kind of a huge level in a prestigious university like Anna University, which questions the state.
So have arrests have been made? How many people have been identified on being part of this criminal act that has been reported, Vashni?
Well, as of now, the police have arrested only one person, the Gnanasekaran, the person in question right now. Yeah, and the police say that it was a lone wolf attack. This person has spotted the couple inside the college premises.
Vashni, please to stay on with us. Let's get in the reactions. Ms. Tamilisai Soundararajan is with us right now. What do you make of this incident, a shocking one that has been reported at the campus of the Anna University, where a woman has alleged that she was sexually assaulted within campus premises?
It's shocking. It's shocking, and the DMK government is protecting the culprits, because this person who has done the mistake has been booked for same type of incidences before, and he was roaming freely, and he was given a license to run a food shop, canteen near the college. And he has entered the college without any permission, and he has done this atrocity. And he is having photos with all the deputy chief minister, the health minister, and the mayor. And he has been booked before, so 4 or 5 cases pending on him. And he has done this sexual harassment. And another shocking thing is they have released the FIR. And with all the identification of the, according to the media reports from Tamil Nadu, with all the identification of the lady, of the girl who has been spoiled by that person. So it is very shocking. They are the course of the incidents, the course of the activity is very clear. They are protecting.
So you're calling it as a shocking incident and linking as far as the accused in the case with the DMK. Thank you very much, Ms. Soundararajan, for